special.
No man, there's nothing else to describe him.
Calm. Normal.
Abnormal.
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 Asperger syndrome.
I'd have to go with quirky.
He's Nomi.
Talking to him and in mid-sentence watching him walk away from me and go into another room and never to be seen again for another 3 hours.
You're still sad about that, huh?
And that's just a normal conversation with Noman.
Ins and outs.
Don't count.
Unless you're Numi.
Watching T-Mac and Nikon and being the only T-Mac fans along with like me, you, and Hitesh. It was just awesome having someone else to root with.
Just sitting in silent study.
Walking out of silent study.
The day me and Naman were lying in Bob's bed together and we began wrestling. It was an excellent time.
Freaking guy, he backed into my car even though his car has backup sensors and it beeps when you're getting to something close. I mean, seriously?
He's a Houston Rockets fan, duh.
Because he's from the Catskills.
Because you grew up in Catskills.
Well, roommate extraordinaire, Zad Saeed.
Zad. Z-Sensor.
I have to go with, it's all the Z-Sensor, aka Zed Saeed's fault. Numan's known Zed for like at least 10 years, and being so close to him for 10 years means it's gotta rub off on Numan somehow, and that's kind of what happened.
Definitely Noman. Definitely Noman.
Okay.
Hiba.
What pants?
I think Numan will wear the pants in the relationship. You better, man. Make me proud.
Hiba will think she wears the pants until Naman just disappears when he doesn't agree with her. Never to be found again. So we'll just say Hiba for now.
Not Noman.
Noman's pants are kind of tight.
I gotta give you this one. Sorry to mud.
Well, they both wear pants, so I feel like the question answers itself.
Sorry, Naman.
Isn't it obvious? Hiba. No more cartoons. No more video games. Cut them!
By fall, I think Naman will have to do at least 50% of housework.
The sleeping count?
I think about 12%.
He will do none.
0 to 5.
How about nada? Zip?
He'll probably do about 3.7% of the household work, and he'll keep tally of.
Probably about 20%.
I'm gonna say 45 to 50%.
0. Nothing.
2%.
20 to 25%.
0.
I do the work.
Donut.
Losing to me and Kuram in any kind of sport.
Numi!
I think it's narcolepsy. Chinese, but chicken and rice is a close second.
Chinese, but chicken and rice is a close second.
The cheapest thing on the menu.
He loves Nanking and he'll die for Nanking.
Fatima Halal Chinese.
Obviously Chinese.
It's Chinese.
Chinese?
If you don't know the answer to this, just get out now.
Naman will never say sorry to anything.
I think it's Naman. Try to eat something else than Chinese.
Try not slamming the door in Heba's face.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I... Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.